Welcome or welcome back to our channel Safus Creation. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel and supporting us by hitting that like button. Hello, welcome back to our channel Safus Creation.
Come back to channel Safus Creation. Safus Creation.
So today is a special video and I will be making the video. Today we are going to make a Mother's Day special gift box. So this is a surprise gift for our mom, and don't worry, my sister will be shooting the video. So let's get started. So we are going to be making a personalized gift box for our mom, and I am going to be using this box. So without any further ado, let's get started. As shown earlier, I'll be using this box, and first I'm going to give a coating of white paint. I'm using a sponge to paint this box. While you watch me paint, go hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. I completed the first coating, but I felt I should go for a second coating because I could see through the paint. So this is how it looked after the second coating. I decided not to paint or do anything inside the box. I wanted to go with an aesthetic look on the box. So I decided to paint it pastel blue. To paint the pastel blue, I used a paintbrush instead of a sponge. Then I painted some daisies on the box. I first painted the white petals using a normal paintbrush. And then gave yellow dots using cotton buds. It didn't turn out to be the perfect daisies, but it was beautiful. My brother and sister also wanted to be part of the gift, and they decided to make this cute pearl bead coasters. We also posted a pearl beads shorts video, which I'll be linking in the description box below. Don't worry, results will be shown in the video. Actually, I made 2 cards to put inside the box, but the tutorial video of the another card will be linked in the description box below. Enjoy the process of this card. I used the wrinkled plastic method for this card, but it didn't turn out quite well. First I wrote Happy Mother's Day, then I sketched it out what I wanted to draw. Then I drew it out with a black fine liner. So it's time to fill the box. First I filled it with some tissue paper. Then I decided to add some sparkles. See, my sparkles are very sparkly. Chocolates are must in a gift box. Just kidding. Just fill your gift boxes with your heart, then it will be the best gift box. I also added some new washi tapes. And here are the coasters and gifts my sister and brother made. Let's add them to the gift box. I kept this heart at the top of the box. Then I added some of my handmade stickers. If you want a tutorial on this handmade sticker, comment down below. Then I added the card I made. The bottom part is ready. So I'm going to stick the second card on the top part. I used double-sided tape to stick everything in the top part. Then I added some cute stickers and also stuck some of my handmade stickers. I also added some marshmallows, which is completely optional. Then I decorated the box with a yellow ribbon, and that's it. It's ready. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to our channel and hit that like button.